Here I have Kruger Matz Move 8 Mini, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings. Afterwards, let's choose here the system. So here I have system, tab languages and input. Afterwards, tab languages at the top of the list. Here, as you can see, is your current language. In my case, it's English. If you would like to change your language, let's choose add a language. And here from the following list, you can choose your desired language. In my case, let me choose, for example, the Spanish. So let's tap on Español, for example, from España. And now all you need to do is place the Español into the first position. Right now, as you can see, the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. Let me go to the main screen right here. And if you would like to change your language and go back to the English one, let's choose Ajustes right here. Scroll down, choose Sistema, tab idiomas y introducción de texto, tab idiomas again, and let's place English into the first position. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.